guys, Miss Acton here, still working on subtraction the easy way. Please don't hate me. Please don't say that you don't like me anymore because you're noticing, oh my gosh, this way is so much easier than the other ways that these teachers have taught me. They taught me how to do models. They taught me how to do number line, breaking apart numbers. And this one is the easiest. Why didn't they teach us this first? Please don't be mad at us. It's because if we did teach it to you first, then this is the only strategy you would use because it is so easy. You wouldn't try models, number line, breaking apart numbers, and all that stuff. It was all part of the plan. But now that we've taught you the easiest one, hopefully you're happy now that you have a strategy that's really fast and works to try to find those answers to those subtraction equations. So we will together produce answers for some subtraction equations, which just means you're going to find an answer for a subtraction equation, and then you will do that on your own. So you will say, I will produce an answer for a subtraction equation. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you, I felt like with my kiddos yesterday, this helped out a lot, them visualizing what exactly that we're doing. So I have a number sentence, and I'm going to put a problem on, and I'm going to show you how the models and the stacking look a lot alike. So let's say that our equation is 52 subtract 35. Now, if I do it with my models, first thing I'm going to do is make the number 52, and then I'm going to subtract my number 35. So I see already I do not have enough ones cubes to take away 5. So I have to go borrow a 10 stick, and that's where I turn into a magician. I say Felicia, and I turn it into 10 ones. And then now I should have enough. Now I'm going to stop right there and go to the stacking where we do 52 subtract 35. Now, we had 2 right here. We have more on the floor, so we have to go next door. We don't have enough to take away 5. Kind of like how we didn't have enough over here with these 2 to take away 5, so we had to go borrow 10 more. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to go over to this 5. We're going to take away 1 10 stick from it, which leaves us with 4. And this number is going to turn into 12. Let's count right here because we should have the same numbers. Let's count right here to see if these ones cubes, after we went and borrowed that 10 stick with the numbers stacking and with the models, let's see if that number is 12 too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 in our ones place now over here too. So those two match. Let's see how many 3, 4. How many 10s do we have over here now? 4. You guys, it's not magic. This is not some crazy thing that only older adults can do. They're the same thing, except with the models, we're showing it with sticks and cubes, sticks and dots. And with the stacking, you're just showing the same exact thing, but with numbers. That's why it makes it so much easier. And I don't know about you, but I would rather write the number 12 than sit here and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It takes forever. So I'm very thankful that we have this stacking strategy. And I hope that you guys like using it as well because it is so much easier. Now we have more on top. So there's no need to stop because 12 is bigger than 5. So now we just figure out what is 12 subtract 5, which is 7. And then 4 subtract 3. That one's easy because you can do it with your fingers. 4 subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. Leaves you with 1. So our answer is 17. So I just wanted to show you how when you use the stacking, it can look exactly like the models. Now, same thing. So now we need to take away 5 from this group over here. 3, 4, 5. And we need to take away 3 from over here. 1, 2, 3. So we're supposed to only have 1 10 stick left. Looky there. So 1 10 stick. And we're supposed to have 7 ones left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So both sides we get the same answer. We showed the exact same equation, the exact same steps. We just showed one with models and one with just the numbers stacking them. But the numbers stacking them is so much easier. All right, so next thing I'm going to do, and then you have a matching pairs that you're going to do, is we're going to match equations to the equations that are over here because I feel like a lot of kiddos are going to have trouble with this. So we're going to take these equations and create them over here. So for example, we've got 67 minus 27. So I got the number 67 and you put 27 right below it. You got to make sure you put those numbers in the right spot or you're not going to be anywhere close to getting the correct answer. So we made this equation, so we're going to cross it out. Now Miss Acton's going to put a different equation and see if you can guess which one that it is the fastest. So you can point with your finger. You can yell at the screen if you want, even though Miss Acton can't hear you. All right, so the next one. So which one is it? Right here. 80 subtract 49. Good job. So we're going to cross that one out because we did that one. All right, let's try another one. We'll see if you do faster. Try the equation. Find it? Yeah, the very last one right there. Good job. Excuse me. Miss Acton's got the burps. All right, next one. Find it, find it, find it. Right, good. So you see how we took the number 58, and that's the first number that we write up here on the top. So you can see the number 58 clearly. And then we take the number 34, and you have to line it up perfectly. The 10 need to be lined up, and the 1 need to be lined up. That way, when you do stack those numbers, you're not worried about maybe putting numbers in the wrong spot, adding a tens to one that you're not supposed to, or taking away a 10 stick from one that you're not supposed to. So, yep, there's that one. And the last one, 93 minus 51. I want you to boss me around. You tell me what to do. So what's the first number that I need to write? 93 right here? No, not right there. Where do I write 93? Right here? No? My goodness. Well, tell me where to write it. Right here. Okay. And the next number is 15. Put a 15 right here. Oh, it's not 15, but it's got a 1 and a 5 in it. Oh, I got it backwards. Oh, it's 51. So 51 goes right here. No. Well, tell me where it goes. Right here? All right, perfect. And then your next step would just be to solve it. But that's what we're going to do on the next few slides. So have fun doing this matching pairs, and then I'll see you in a little bit. So see you soon.